To trigger a scene from a motion sensor, you first need to enable control hierarchy in the Casambi app, which is in Network Setup, Control Options, and Use Control Hierarchy. We won't go through here what other settings then need to be configured, but you can find that information in the user guide. Push Done and then go back to the sensor options. Choose the sensor you wish to configure to open the options. If control hierarchy isn't enabled, this not in use option will be greyed out and you won't be able to select it. But now it's enabled, you can select it and choose an option for the sensor. The different options are described here. You can either select a scene based on when motion is detected, or you can select one scene based on when motion is detected and another scene based on when motion stops being detected. And the final absence mode is a way of removing any manual control on a manually triggered scene. So a scene that's, for example, been triggered by a switch when movement stops being detected. So select the mode, select the scene that you want to trigger, push Done, then you get to set up a linger time, which is how long the sensor waits until it switches off the scene after movement stops being detected. The fade time is how long it takes to fade that scene on and off, and removes manual control will then deactivate any manual control commands that may have overridden the present sensor scene while it's been active. This is all described in more detail in the user guide and control hierarchy section. Push Done when complete, and then you can push back and you'll see the sensor has been configured. When the sensor detects movement, there will be a person icon displayed in the top right hand corner of the icon, and that will then trigger the scene. When the movement stops being detected, the icon will disappear and the scene will fade off.